Hindi ba nagtulog ang kanilang bahay? Dahil sa paglalaro ng posporo ng bangko. Aling Rosa, ano ho ang ibig sabihin ng mga nangyayari? Tuloy mo. Dahil ayaw ko sana bigyan kayo ng kaalalahan.
What's the word? Hardship of words. It's dyslexia. Reading of words is dyslexia. And hardships of numbers and numbers, it's dyscalculia. And hardships of hello, good evening. Hardships in motor skills is dyspraxia. And dyspraxia, and then what's others? A temporary loss of memory is dysphagia, right? Dysphagia. And the total loss of memory is dementia.